Channel. This is Chai Hearted Line Encounters, and I'm here with a wig review. It's the Indu Go Sara wig review. I've been wearing this wig for about 3 weeks, about a month, somewhere in there, and I think I've been wearing it long enough to give a review on it. So this is the wig. If you haven't watched my unboxing video of this wig, go ahead, look at it. I posted it up like 3 days ago, so go watch that video. So, like about this wig, I guess I'll go with what I don't like first about it. It sheds whenever I comb it, and even if I do it with my fingers, if I comb it with my fingers, if I comb it with a pick, because I haven't been using a wig brush to comb it, it sheds and it just leaves long pieces of hair. I have to pull it. I don't like it. And this is 100% human hair, by the way. At first, it was being frizzy, like tremendously, until I got that under control. And I'm going to tell you guys about that. Another thing I don't like about the hair, I think it could be a little bit longer, but it don't bother me too much. But the wig on the inside, it only comes with one clip to attach it to your head. I don't like that it has one clip. I would prefer it to have 3 clips so it can be more secure. And it also has a strap. I like that it has a strap to adjust it to my head shape. To the pros, since I'm talking about the pros now. I do like the curls and getting hot. Okay, so this video is gonna be all over the place, whatever. So this is the picture of the wig. And like would I buy this wig again, knowing what I liked and what I don't like about it? No, I wouldn't. I bought this wig for $80 and it is human hair. And what I look for in a human hair is exactly to be human hair. The back of it is the main part. It really tangles up really bad. It's just the last 3 or few tracks in the back. And then whenever I comb out the ends, I don't like the way they look. They look kind of loose. So it's like they need a trim. I don't like that because I do shampoo and condition my hair with my wig. So let me get into my routine. Make sure it's looking how I want it to look. If you guys watched my video on the unboxing of this wig, you guys know that I didn't like the way the wig was, flat. I felt like it was flat to my head. It didn't have enough volume, enough body. So I shampooed my wig. And so I've shampooed my wig probably about 5 times now since I've had it. I shampoo it like every week because after a week, it's like, this is human hair, you guys. This is human hair. You have to treat it like your real hair. And let me tell you guys, when I first shampooed this hair, I used the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner, the Grow Strong, and it smells so good. This is what I use. I use the shampoo and the conditioner. And I shampooed this wig in a bowl. I don't shampoo it in my sink for some odd reason. I just shampoo it in this big old Dollar Tree bowl that I bought. And I shampoo it twice. And first I comb it out, and then I rinse it, and then I shampoo it, and then I rinse it, and then I shampoo it again, and then I rinse it, and then I put the conditioner on it, comb it out, make sure all the tangles are out of it. And whenever I'm shampooing or conditioning it in the bowl, I just wiggle it around a little bit. I try not to shampoo it vigorously like you did, but I'll be trying to get it really clean. So I probably just swoosh, 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 but I don't, get it all tangly. So, like I was saying about the conditioner, I'll put the conditioner in, comb it through, probably let it sit on there a few seconds or whatever. Then I'll swish it around, then I'll rinse it, and then I'll towel vault it. I'll press out the excess water and then I'll put it on my mannequin head. I'm gonna do a video on my wig routine, is how I do it. Because I've been improving as I've been wearing this wig more and more, and I've been, learning how to get it to where I want it to be, and learning also, what I can't fix because I need a better quality wig. And I'm going to invest into that whenever I age. But after I towel both the hair, I put the wig on the mannequin stand, on the mannequin doll head, and I comb it out, get it to where how I want the bangs to lay. If I want the bangs to lay to the side, I'll put it to the side. If I want it to lay it down, whatever, however I want the wig to look after it's dry, that's how I comb it. And then so when I wake up in the morning, because it don't take that long for a wig to dry, so it dries overnight, and which to be the wig is laid, the hair it's looking fresh, the curls are popping. Um, it though. The first time I shampooed it, the first week, it looked good, when I first put it on, of course, and then like throughout the day, every day, it would be like frizzy, like big hair, and like all you can see is just frizz everywhere. Just like I can't really. It's like it was frizzy, like natural curly hair get frizzy. This hair gets frizzy because it's human hair, of course. So what did I expect? I mean, this is my first human wig, you guys. First human wig. So I wasn't expecting this, and I didn't. It did not click until like, wait a minute, curly hair, human hair. This hair is gonna act like human hair. So I'm like, after a while of me getting tired of it getting frizzy, I was like, I need to find a solution. I probably got tired after 2 weeks, 2 weeks of frizzy hair. I finally did something. So one day I decided to use my Eco Styler gel. It's the Oregon Oil Eco Styler. It's the red top. I decided to put all that throughout my wig hair doing it. And so I liked how it looked, but it kind of clumped up a little bit. So I didn't like that part. So I had to play with it and get it to how I wanted to look. And I was like, you know what? I think a good idea would to be next time I shampoo my hair after I towel bought it, I would, put gel all over it. So the third time that I shampooed my hair, I did that. And I just put gel all over the wig. And I woke up in the morning, put the wig on. I saw a difference. I saw a change in the way that my wig looked. But it was still frizzy. It wasn't as frizzy. It wasn't like 100% frizzy like it was at first. It was like 25% frizzy. It was just this very top part that would get frizzy. So I was like, okay, still having a little trouble here. So I decided maybe I need to get some mousse, maybe I need spray or something like that. So I went to the beauty supply store because I had to go there anyway, and I found these two products. If you guys didn't watch my video on my new purchases, that's the name of the video. If you haven't watched that video, go. This one is the Curl and Wavy Curl Defining Conditioner Detangler, and this one is the Wet and Wavy Tangle Free Leave-In Conditioner. So I used both of these this morning. So this is what I did. I combed out my wig, and it was off my head when I did this. I combed out my wig, got all the little strays that want to hang from the bottom, and then I sprayed the detangler, which is this one. I sprayed this detangler on it all over, front, back, side as well. I did it. the right way, and then I did it upside down. And then I did the same thing with the leave-in conditioner because it felt some kind of way with the detangler on there. So I was like, I need to put some conditioner behind this. So I used this one. And oh my gosh, you guys, this was the answer to my problems. But then I got another problem. Okay, so this got rid of the frizz, this wig. And by the way, the reason why I'm wearing this wig is because my hair is in this awkward stage. It's growing out. I'm trying to get it to grow. I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like. I'm going to do a hair length check next month sometime. And I plan on doing a hair, like a trim on my hair. So was it in November? Because actually I was trying to wait 3 months in between cuts so I won't feel like I'm cutting my hair too much. It probably was in March when I last cut my hair, but whatever. June is the month I'm supposed to get my next cut. But yeah, I'm gonna do a video about my natural hair, but I'm trying not to wear weave in my head, only wigs. I'm trying not to do that for a year. I'm also thinking about getting dreads, but I don't know if I really want to be committed like that. But I think it's cool to have dreads, especially when they're long. But we got a weekly routine. So what I wasn't doing was doing a daily routine. Like every day after work or when I get home, I would just toss off the wig. I don't comb it out. I don't do anything. And I just put it on the wig stand or just lay it on the shelf. And then in the morning, whenever I would wear my wig, I wouldn't spray anything in it. I'll just comb it a little bit if it needed it, which it did sometimes. So I would comb it a little, but other than that, I wouldn't do nothing. So that was part of my problem. So yeah, using these would be great. Well, is great. And the problem that I ran into was I don't think it feel as silky as I want it to feel. Now I did use a different shampoo. I used the Herbal Essence Long Relationship Shampoo and Conditioner. So that may be the reason why my hair isn't feeling how I want it to feel. And then another reason maybe is because I used that gel that I told you guys about. I used that gel in my hair without conditioning my hair. I didn't spray anything in my hair before I put that gel in. So I'm seeing, trial and error. I'm seeing what I need to do, what I don't need to do, what works and what's not working. So it's getting better. If you want a cheap human hair wig, I do recommend this wig. If you want to try it, if you want to see if human hair is the way you want to go, because I'm telling you right now, it's more work than synthetic hair. When I bought synthetic hair, it wasn't this much work. Even though I still shampooed my wigs, they didn't last this long. Now, when I shampoo my human hair, it do last long. So I'm trying to see how long this wig is going to last me before I have to throw it in the trash like I do the rest of them. But to be honest, I think this wig is going to last longer than the synthetic wigs because the synthetic wigs, they only last me for about a month or 2 months. And hopefully this wig would last me for about 4 months or more. That would be awesome. But, like I said, the back be getting nappy and things like that. And I'm not really ready to buy another wig, even though I would prefer to have another wig. But I have to wait. I have to invest. So if you want to buy this wig, these are the things you need to buy. Make sure you have shampoo and conditioner because you need to wash this hair, shampoo this hair every week. Get the Garnier Fructis Grow Strong Fortifying Conditioner. It don't have to be these kinds, but this is what I use. Just make sure you got some silky shampoo and conditioner or some shampoo and conditioner catered to wavy hair. After you, get you some gel. So after you shampoo your hair and you towel bolt it, you're gonna first you're gonna condition it because like I said, that was something I should have did so that my hair won't be feeling dry. Condition your hair and then you put the gel in your hair. Get you some Eco Styler gel. whether it's organ oil, olive oil, black seed oil, castor oil, whatever kind of gel, try it. I use the Eco Styler gel. That worked for me. Just finger it through, make sure it get on every strand. Okay, and daily, get you some kind of curl defining conditioner and detangler, some kind of conditioner leave-in. I recommend it. And hello to whoever's watching. I know I didn't say hello, but it's only okay. It's people watching now. Only one person was watching at first. Shout out to you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This video is gonna come to an end, so if it ends, please rewatch. Okay, so yeah, that's everything you need to buy if you want to, maintain this wig. Make sure you have a paddle brush or a, wig brush or a afro pick, something with wide teeth. Remember, when you wear wigs, you have to wear something to protect your real hair. Wear something silky, like wear a dome cap, a silky scarf, and then you can put your little stocking cap on top of that to make sure the the silky wrap don't move around and come underneath that wig. Oh my gosh. So, if you're a fan of wigs, if you like wearing wigs, or you know somebody who wear wigs, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of wig should I buy next. If you know any 100% wig human wigs that I should try out next, any websites, any stores, let me know because I'm looking for the next best 100% human hair wig. And this is the type of wig I want, something similar to this. I just want it to be a little bit longer, still want my bangs, still want my curls, nothing too deep curlish. I just like a loose wave. So if you have any suggestions, don't be afraid, leave them in the comment box below. And I thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. And I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.